Hello friends, today we will see how to do feedback or survey. So go in coursework. So I am already in my coursework. So you can add an activity as a resource. Then here you can click all button and search survey button. Yeah, here you can find in green survey. And if you are willing to do any kind of feedback from the students, so you can use this method. So I can say students feedback, then go for survey type. Okay, once you written student course feedback, then there are 4 to 5 survey types are there, so you can select as per your requirement. So default there are 5 type of surveys, so I am taking 20, the first one. And here you can write a message to students that students must give feedback. Okay, so this message you need to type so that students will get the message when we click that button. Okay, so then go for save and return to the course page. So now you can see here there is a student course feedback, and there are 20 questions default. These are the default questions which are available in Moodle. So depending on that, student will write the input. So there are 4 to 5 inputs student can give depending on the type of survey. Okay, so this is the one way by which one can create a feedback form or feedback survey for our coursework or any other type of. So then we will see another type. You can save it. So click to continue. If you click, then there is an error. So you can go in dashboard, click on subject, and we will try one more. So go again, add an activity or resource button, click there. Yes, once you click here, then again go for survey tab. Yes, survey tab is there, and right now we will select different. Suppose I want guest lecture feedback. So by clicking, it means by looking at what kind of questions are there inside that survey. Depending on, you can select which is required for you. Okay. So it is guest lecture, seminar, workshop, training feedback I am taking. Now what I will do, I will choose third one. Okay, randomly I am choosing and give the message to the students that they have to give the feedback. So I am same title I am going to paste here. Okay, all students must give this feedback. Then display and save and return. And once you click this, what type of questions are there inside the survey, you can see. So when there is a guest lecture, one reflective thinking, interaction, peer supports. So there are a number of parameters on which this survey report is depend on. So this is a one kind of tutorial from my side to show that what are the different feedback form or survey form available in a Moodle. I hope you can try it and you can use this facility in a Moodle so that you will get exact feedback from the students, from the audience. So go for click to continue, or you can go for dashboard. Okay, so it's all about how to do survey, okay, about feedback is concerned. So thank you and have a nice day.